Cortex presents its special guided surgery kit. One universal all-included kit for all Cortex implants. Intuitive layout enabling easy-to-use workflow. The kit includes the following items: fixation drills and pins, tissue punch for a flapless procedure, high-quality drills for a proper site preparation, 2mm height drill stoppers to reduce 8mm drills in a case of 6mm planned implants, insertion tools for conical and internal hex platforms, short and long extenders for manual and ratchet handling, motor adapter, extractor, screwdrivers, square adapter used with handpiece drivers and square ratchet, motor mount for conical and internal hex platforms, guided bone mill with compatible screws, dedicated dense bone drill set, and a torque ratchet. The drills and insertion tools have a built-in stopper, allowing a fully guided spoonless procedure. Diamond-like coating to reduce friction, prevent corrosion, and extend drill's life. Advanced drills design featuring bone-preserving geometry and irrigation pass between the drill and the sleeve reduces the heat production during the drilling procedure. We will now demonstrate the Cortex Guided Surgery Kit in action on one-of-a-kind and unique hands-on model by Cortex. We will be placing 3.8 diameter by 11.5 millimeter length Cortex implant in upper jaw. Make sure that the surgical guide fits the model. Start the site preparation with a short and extremely accurate start drill with a built-in bone profiler, allowing an easy access to the following drills and creating the optimal emergence profile, perfect for intrabony implants. Make sure the motor is active only when the drill is fixed inside the guide sleeve. Keep direction of the handpiece according to insertion axis of the sleeve. Avoid side levering on the sleeve and surgical template. Set the osteotomy length by using the length drills in the red row. 2mm diameter by 8mm length. $2mm diameter by 11.5mm length. In a case of 16mm implants, it is necessary to drill with 11.5mm length drill as well. Use the tapered drills to expand the diameter of the implant site. 2.8mm diameter by 8mm length. $3.4mm diameter by 8mm length. And a final drill, 3.4mm diameter by 11.5mm length. In order to place the implant, use the implant mount. applicable to the chosen implant. Use the extender and continue with a torque ratchet. Hex orientation is correlated to the implant. Disconnect the screw and remove the implant mount. In a case of the difficulty to release the implant mount from the implant, unscrew the implant mount screw and take it out. Screw the extractor into the implant mount in order to release the implant mount from the implant. Do not apply torque more than 15 Newton-centimeter. After removing the surgical guide, use the guided bone mill to remove the residual crestal bone. Place the safety screw to protect the implant and guide the bone mill drill. Seamless Cortex CAD/CAM prosthetic system. To be continued.